What's up and welcome back. Today is a great day for me. I'm super excited. I want to show you the trade that I made. So top percent gainers, right? I obviously look for low floats, but I've never seen a low float of 18,000 shares. I don't look at level 2 and I don't look at SEC filings. Um, and what else? Hold on. I don't need this. I just look at top percent gainers. Now, some people have told me to use Thinkorswim, and I'm like, no, I like stocks to trade. Why? Because I can see the float, which is very important to the way that I trade, and I'm also starting to use Oracle. What I like about Oracle is that it kind of confirms the idea that I have. When I saw this, I was like, ooh, it's a low float, right? And I always look at Oracle, I see like, hey, what's going on? And I obviously want the stock with the most long delta. I want it to go long because I go long, and I want it to have the most long delta. So I picked SINT. SINT is a long, and it had 58 cents of range. And we are going to look at SINT now. I don't know anything about this stock. That was the only information that I had, right? So then, and I tried to paper trade it also, which I did kind of well on. But let us take a look at, so this was my trade. Let us take a look first at the daily chart. I always look at the daily chart. So also the news, up 104% on, so that happened at 10 o'clock, but I saw Q2 earnings results. So I was like, oh, this is an earnings play. So this is a previous spiker. It spiked from like basically a few cents to $4. It's come down and now it's back in the threes. So previous runner, this is kind of like a gap fill thing. Most volume it had here was 80K. That's all I know, right? Then I look at my daily chart. Looks like it's running again. Hold on 1 minute. It's traded 20 million volume. VWAP. So it looks like it's bouncing off of the VWAP again. This is like very tempting for me to trade right now. So this was the pre-market high, and this was what I set my risk as, 278. And if you can see, it consolidated here. And the same thing kind of happened on the 5-minute chart. Holy shit. I really want to fucking buy this. Especially like right here. This is short squeeze season. Oh my god. I want to buy this. I really want to buy this. And so it broke above pre-market highs, sat back down, and it's been going ever since. And it had this nice like pullback to whatchamacallit, VWAP, rainbow VWAP. And it's right around VWAP now. And honestly, I want to buy it. So, but if I were to buy it right here, where is my risk? I could make my risk in the 340s maybe. 40 cents away. Maybe that's not the best idea. Whew, this is crazy. So it had this top in the 4s. Maybe it's going to push back. I don't know. I have to stop this video, I think. My God, it's lunchtime right now. No, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till I finish eating, I think, because it's lunchtime for me right now. Maybe I should just take my computer with me. Crazy low float, right? I would buy a dip close to VWAP though. But anyway, so I traded this and I had to leave right here. I could have made bank. You get what I'm saying? I could have made bank. But my teacher was like, Liz, we're going to the organic garden. And I'm like, I'm in a trade right now. But I traded from $3.08. I traded 150 shares to $3.36. So pretty much 28 cents of movement. So I was definitely pissed about it. And I was telling her, I was like, it's 397, it's 393 or wherever it went to. And you know what she told me? She was like, don't look, it's not allowed, you're not allowed to look after you exit the trade. Like this is a lady that doesn't trade and she just had like words of gold. So, oh my God, this is so tempting right now. Um, this was the place to be though. 350? Ugh. Risk. If I would have bought at 350, where would I have risked off of? Maybe 320s. My God. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of RKDA. This like crazy low float, spiker, consolidating, hugging VWAP. Oh my God. But so here's my rule, because I was actually thinking about trading it in here somewhere, and it was like really choppy, and I was glad that I didn't. I didn't really have Wi-Fi when we were in the garden. I used my phone as like a connection. But so one of my rules that I made from last time is once you have a winning trade, do not trade again, right? So, and another thing that I did much better on is setting a risk level. Like I double checked it on the 5-minute chart to see if like what I was actually looking at was correct. And right over here, this dips just ever so slightly past it, but you can really see it on this one, on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, like for half a second, it dipped past my risk level. And I was like, all right, I guess I'm out. And then it turned back around. And I was like, okay, well, if it does it again, then, because I think this risk level was really good for me because it's obviously like breaking out past pre-market highs. Like this is what I call magic carpet ride. Oh my God, I want this so bad. I do. Oh, I do. I love how it touches VWAP right there. 347, 350. Oh my God. And the inside, I'm like, I need this now. This is a crazy, like you get so tempted. You get so tempted. And I was listening to Steady Trade about like fighting temptation. So this is hard right now. I do think that this is gonna push past push past these levels, but remember what I did last time? I was like, I got into something and then, what's it called? What was I saying? Oh yeah, I lost some money because I didn't get in at the right time. So I think I should go and have lunch and like reassess this at 2 o'clock. I think that this level is important for me, this 350 level. So hopefully if it dips back down, I can get a closer entry, That's the only thing I can think of. But this looks like a crazy fucking play. I might just take my computer with me and just say fuck it. Because I do want to watch this. And I think that's all for today. So I did good. I think I made like $35 on this play that I had on the 1-minute chart. But yeah, this was the time to buy right here. But who knows? You know what I'm saying? Like, who knows that? But maybe if it dips back down to VWAP, I don't know. I don't know. Ugh, this is such a hard feeling. You feel like compelled. But at this point, I don't know. I don't know what's happening now. Because, like, it kind of looks like a head and shoulders thing. You know what I'm saying? But I also know it's a low flow. I know it has volume. I know it's a top percent gainer. I know it has news. But the daily chart doesn't look good to me. Maybe there's resistance here. I don't know because this is like 80 million volume, right? Can it push past that? I don't know. But the time I've been talking about it, I would have been up 18 cents. So, but I think it's okay for me to be able to miss an entry because my entry should always be close to my risk level, right? My risk is number one. Instead of just like running into something, I first have to say, where is my risk level? And right now, my risk level should be right near VWAP in the 350s, and that's 40 cents of range. So that's not the best time for me to get in my opinion. But it is very, very hard once you see a setup to like pull back, because the whole time my mental psychology is like, oh, I'm losing money, I'm losing money, I could be making money right now. So it's really hard. It's a hard like discipline thing to teach yourself. Um, so, hmm. You know what? I'm going to go to lunch and I'm going to come back later. I'm going to fight the urge that I feel right now to jump back into this because I'm so happy I made some profits today. This is like the first time in literally like 12 trades that I've made 30 cents a profit. Um, and I need to just like walk away right now. So I'm just going to walk away. I'm going to walk away. All right, bye.